We're focusing on the butterfly or winged collection set, a critical topic for your phlebotomy exam. You will absolutely see questions that test your ability to choose the right equipment for a specific patient, and the butterfly is a key part of that decision-making process. A winged collection set consists of a small gauge needle, typically 23 gauge, with two flexible plastic wings connected to a length of flexible tubing. This design gives you precise control, which is why it's the go-to choice for difficult draws. Exam questions will often present scenarios involving patients with small, fragile, or hard-to-find veins, such as those in geriatric or pediatric patients. If you see a description of an elderly patient needing a draw from a delicate hand vein, the butterfly set is almost always the correct answer. The most critical and most frequently tested concept related to the butterfly set is its use with coagulation tests. This is a major trap for exam takers. The flexible tubing of the butterfly set has what's called dead space, which is filled with air. If you are drawing a light blue top tube, which contains sodium citrate for tests like PT or PTT, this air will be drawn into the tube first. This leads to an underfilled tube, disrupting the crucial 9:1 blood-to-anticoagulant ratio and rendering the sample invalid for testing. To prevent this, you must always use a discard tube first. This can be a non-additive red top tube or even another light blue top tube that you will discard. This first tube primes the line, pulling the air out of the tubing and ensuring the subsequent light blue top tube for testing fills completely. An exam question might ask for the correct procedure for a coagulation test on a patient with difficult veins. The correct option will be the one that explicitly includes drawing a discard tube before the light blue top. Another common exam topic is the risk of hemolysis. Because of the smaller needle gauge, blood flows more slowly. If you are using a syringe with the butterfly, pulling back too hard on the plunger can create excessive pressure, damaging the red blood cells and causing hemolysis. This can lead to falsely elevated potassium levels and other inaccurate results. The exam may test this with a troubleshooting scenario, asking for the likely cause of a hemolyzed specimen collected with a butterfly and syringe. The answer will point to pulling the plunger back too forcefully. It's important to remember that a slower fill time is normal with this device, and you should allow the vacuum of the tube or gentle pressure on the syringe to draw the blood at its own pace. To help you remember the most important rule for butterfly sets, use this phrase: when the wings fly, the blue tooth is shy. Use a discard first, or the clot results will lie. This links the butterfly's wings to the shy, underfilled blue top tube and the need for a discard tube to get accurate coagulation results. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.